Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. We are on ornament number 8 of our Classic Stitchy Sew-Along. So welcome back. I hope you are enjoying this stitch along. I'm having a lot of fun. I hope you guys are too. These ornaments are so fast and easy to put together. They're adorable when it comes to decorating and just the best small project for the holidays. It's great to just sit down and watch a cozy movie, maybe with a little hot chocolate, and stitch along on these tiny projects. So let's take a look at yesterday's ornament. So yesterday was ornament number 7, and it was this fun pinwheel ornament. Today's ornament is going to be this really cute star. Now this was reminding me of knitting actually, and a Fair Isle star. And I think what kind of reminds me of Fair Isle is not only the fact that it has a red background with the white star, which is kind of opposite what we've been doing, but then it also has these little accent bits as well, and that kind of gives it that knitted look. Here is the ornament that goes along with this day, so they are a little bit different but also still similar, and they have that cute holiday star vibe going on. So this one's a lot of fun. Here's my backing for this one. It's my red and white. Very cute. So today I wanted to share some of my favorite project bags with you. So one of my favorite bags are these bags. These are from Fat Quarter Shop, and they are kind of a vinyl-ish texture, but they're see-through, and so you can actually cross stitch on these bags, which is really fun, or you don't have to. They're just cute as they are. They come in 3 different sizes. I think this is the medium size. I have a couple different ones of these, and I know that there's one that's larger, so I think this is the medium one, but those are one of my favorites. And then one of my other favorites are these, and these are a free tutorial, and obviously this one's in use. These are a free tutorial here on YouTube, and these are my vinyl cross-stitch project bags. They're really easy to sew together, so if you're a beginning sewer, you can definitely do these. And don't be afraid of this zipper. I show you how to put them on. They're super easy to put together, and then I just have a solid fabric on my back there. But of course you can make these seasonal, so you can do, you know, Christmas, holiday ones. But I love these because you can see in them, you know, the vinyl allows you to see what project you have in here, and just makes it really easy when you're grabbing one of your projects to get started stitching. So I think having a fun stitch bag is definitely a must, at least for my stitching. I love having everything kind of be cute and coordinate. And then of course you can see I have my floss flowers just tossed in there, having all of my floss on them. So makes it really easy and convenient. So anyways, that's going to be it for today's ornament number 8. I hope you're enjoying the stitch along. Don't forget to post your finishes or in progress pics on social media using hashtag Classic Stitchy Ornaments. You can also tag me at Erica Arndt, and I will repost your images so we can all see what you're making. Leave a comment below letting me know what color scheme you have chosen and how you've chosen to finish these. And then as we get towards the end, I would love to see pictures of how you're going to be displaying your finished ornaments, because I love stitching the ornaments, but I also love having them just decorating my space just because they're so much fun. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me, and then I will see you in the next video where we will be featuring ornament number 9.